Okay, so it's quite loud, but here I am at the Orange Factory Mark 1, and we're going to build a bike today. From scratch, we're going to build a Stage 6. Starting off with this machine, it's very loud. So this is it, this is actually going to turn into a bike. That will be a Stage 6 by the end of today. So for anyone that's always saying that orange bikes are just banged together with just hammers and just a load of rubbish, if you think that machine is a load of rubbish, then you've got no idea. That is some serious high-tech stuff, and this is just the start. Absolutely incredible. Like, the machinery in this room is worth millions and millions of pounds. So step one is done. We've punched out the metal. Now we're going to fold it. Folded up, there's my chainstay and the front, ready to sharp. Getting there. This is the rear swing arm dropout. This is one of the stages. It gets to that point there, and then when it's finished, it will end up like that. How neat and tidy is that? The attention to detail, unbelievable. Okay, so this is an entire bike, all been cut out and punched in front of us here in the factory. It's absolutely fascinating to see, it's amazing. Each individual piece has been cut out. See the attention to detail is absolutely fantastic. It's amazing to see, to be quite honest with you, and amazing to see how many different pieces are involved in a frame build. Everything here is sheet metal cut out, apart from the bits that are CNC, so the back ends, bottom bracket. Again, the attention to detail on it is absolutely amazing to see in this form. Right, next step, I need to get all this stuff in a box and I need to head out there. All I need to do now is go and find someone that's prepared to weld it up and make it into a bit more of a bicycle. Let's go find someone.
Alright, so I'm just going to start, I've tacked it all up, just going to start welding it all up.
For Stage 6, it's all been welded up and it's looking really good, but I've come over to this gentleman here who is going to just straighten it, make sure that everything's in line before we move on to the next stage. How's it looking?
Looks like that.
So now we're back over at Orange HQ and my frame is looking good. Here's the front half, but it's covered in chemicals after all the heat treating and all of that. So I've come into the first section of the painting process. Here's Ed. How are we doing, mate? You alright? So Ed is going to etch the frame. By this, it means basically dipping this into that, which is called the etch tank. And it's going to take off all the nasty chemicals and stuff that was left from the heat treating. The next step is we're going to put it into this tank, which is full of water, just normal water, and that's going to rinse it off. Pretty much just roughed it up before it goes into be sandblasted. The frame is all looking good, but we need to stick some paint on it. So we're going to go and see Matt in the paint booth. First thing is he's got to put a layer of primer on the frame before he can do anything else.
We've got the first of 3 layers of paint on. So this is the primer layer, next will be the colour coat, and then the top coat is the lacquer. So this now will go in the oven for 8 minutes at 180 degrees to bake that, and then we'll apply the colour coat.
Great stuff. So, my frame is all painted. It's looking shiny. Got fizzy orange. Stage 6. And now here is Jarvis, who's going to build it up. Hey!